Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ram 1500 remote start is probably one of the most convenient upgrades you can make to your truck, especially during those freezing winter mornings or scorching summer afternoons. Imagine stepping into a perfectly climate-controlled cabin without ever having to leave the comfort of your home or office. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of remote start systems for your Ram 1500, exploring everything from installation to the features that make them so essential. Number 5. Start X Remote Start Kit for Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. Tired of getting into a cold or hot truck? This kit allows you to start it remotely. Simply press the lock button 3 times on your existing remote to activate it. This kit is designed for Ram pickup trucks, specifically the 1500, 2500, and 3500 models from 2013 to 2017 with key start ignition. Please note that it is not compatible with push-to-start vehicles. The included T-harness makes installation easy. It eliminates the need for any wire splicing or tapping, making the process straightforward. A Windows PC is required to complete the programming. A computer is required to complete the installation. You will need a Windows PC to program the remote start kit. The remote start range is the same as your existing remote's lock-unlock range. You may want to test your remote to see if it meets your needs. Longer range remotes are available at an additional cost. What we like. This remote start kit is designed for easy installation, with no wire splicing needed. It's perfect if you're not a fan of complex installations. If you're looking for a hassle-free setup, this is the one for you. It uses your existing remote, so you don't need to carry extra fobs. What people say. Product works exactly as described. Worked on the first attempt to hook up and set up to my 2017 Ram 1500. I can't believe how easy this was to install and program. Maybe 30 minutes from start to finish with programming. I have a 2017 Ram 1500, and I have found this a literal bolt-on unit. The wiring is complete, and the entire kit comes with everything you need to install. Number 4. Start X Remote Starter Kit for 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500. Tired of cold mornings? This kit lets you start your truck remotely. Just press the lock button 3 times on your existing remote to get it going. This kit works with 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 push-to-start models only. It's a perfect fit for your vehicle, ensuring a seamless experience. However, it is not compatible with the Ram 1500 Classic. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play T-harness. It eliminates wire splicing, making setup quick and easy. There is one wire that needs to be tapped. Please watch the video for more details. You'll need a computer to complete the installation. Both Windows and Mac systems are supported. Follow the instructions to get everything set up correctly. The remote start range is the same as your truck's lock-unlock range. Test your remote to see if it meets your needs. Long-range remotes are also available at an extra cost. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for push-to-start Ram 1500 models. It offers a convenient way to warm up your truck on cold mornings. If you have a newer Ram 1500 with push-to-start, this kit will provide you with the comfort and convenience you need. What people say. It will be so good to get into a warm truck in winter, or a cool truck in summer. The kit works seamlessly with the factory key fob. By pushing lock 3x and my truck fires right up. Distance is only limited by the range of the fob. Number 3. MPC Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500 Remote Start Kit. Introducing a complete remote start kit compatible with your Ram 1500. This system includes everything you need for easy remote starting. It is designed to make your life easier. You can start the car by pressing the lock button 3 times on your existing remote. No need to carry extra fobs. Just get in and go when you're ready to drive. This kit uses a plug-in T-harness, which simplifies the installation process. It dramatically reduces the wiring connections. Basic knowledge of car electronics is all you need. Enhance your experience with available options, like a smartphone interface module. You can also add 1 or 5 button remotes. These options are available at an additional cost. Get help from US-based technical support, available Monday to Friday. You can also access online support anytime. We are here to help you with your installation. What we like. This kit offers a plug-and-play installation, making it easy to set up. Plus, it's smartphone module ready, so you can control it from anywhere. If you like the idea of controlling your truck remotely from your phone and want reliable USA-based tech support, this is a great choice. What people say. The remote start works flawlessly every time. The range is impressive, easily starting the truck from a significant distance. Installation was straightforward with the provided instructions. Number 2. MPC Dodge Ram 1500, 2009, 2010, Remote Start. Introducing a complete remote start kit for your Dodge Ram 1500. This system is designed for 2009 to 2010 models, both gas and diesel. It allows you to start your car with ease. This remote start system works with your existing keyless entry. You don't need extra remotes, just use your factory key fob. Simply press the lock button 3 times to start the vehicle. Installation is made simple with a plug-in T-harness. This dramatically reduces the wiring needed. The kit includes everything you need, and the instructions are easy to follow. Enhance your experience with available options. You can add a smartphone app interface or upgrade to long-range remotes for added convenience. These options are available at an additional cost. MPC provides technical support to assist you. You can access installation tips online or contact US-based support during business hours. Support is available to help you with any questions. What we like. This remote start kit works with both gas and diesel engines, offering broad compatibility. It uses your factory remote, so you don't need to carry extra fobs. If you have a 2009 to 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 and want a simple, factory-integrated solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. The remote start works flawlessly. The range is impressive, easily starting the truck from a significant distance. Installation was straightforward. Number 1. StartX Remote Start Kit for Dodge Ram 1500. Tired of freezing mornings? This remote start kit lets you warm up your truck from the comfort of your home. Just press a button on your existing remote, and it will start right up. Forget about complicated wiring. This kit uses a unique T-harness for a completely plug-and-play installation. There's no wire splicing or cutting needed, making the process simple. This kit is designed for Dodge Ram pickup trucks from 2009 to 2012, gas only. It works with 1500, 2500, 3500, and 4500 models. Please note that 2009 models are only compatible with the 1500. This kit is brought to you by StartX, a leading remote start company. The module is designed, engineered, and manufactured in North America. You can count on its quality and reliability. With this kit, you can start your truck remotely by pressing the lock button on your factory remote 3 times. It's that simple to use and enjoy the convenience. What we like. This kit is a plug-and-play solution, ensuring a straightforward installation process. It's designed and manufactured in North America, with USA-based support. If you value ease of installation and prefer a product with local support, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Simplicity at its best. This works fast and smooth to install. Man, I tell you what, literally the best find I can get took me less than 5 minutes to hook this up, and the best thing about it too, you don't need to change your key fob, so if you have a factory key fob without the remote start option, it still works perfectly fine, as the manual describes. Lock 3 times to start and stop. Very simple to install and works as it should. 100% plug and play when following the instructions. No issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.